How to use your phone as a webcam for PC. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and search for Droidcam. Now navigate to this one website. Scroll all the way down. You're gonna find this section. Get the PC client. Select Windows. Click on the download option. With that, download process will start. Once completion of its download process, you'll need to set it up, install it, agree with the terms and conditions, then click on install. Once it has been installed in your PC, you're gonna get this kind of pop-up. Now heading towards your device, open Google Store or Play Store, search for the app Droidcam. Install it. Once installed, open the app and allow all necessary permissions, camera, microphone, etc. Then tap continue and press OK when prompted. Now go back to your PC and launch the Droidcam client. Click add device. The app will try to automatically detect your phone. If it does not, click refresh device list a few times. Still not showing up? Don't worry. On your phone, look for the Wi-Fi IP address shown on the app screen. Back on your PC, type in your device name and then enter the IP address. Click OK and your PC should now connect to your phone's camera feed. On your phone, look in the bottom left corner and tap the camera icon. From here, you can choose whether to use your front or rear camera. Now open a video app like Discord, Zoom or OBS and select Droidcam as your webcam. You are now using your phone as high quality webcam. And that's it. You have now set up your phone to work as a webcam for your PC. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.